everyone, my name is Francis and I'm a year 1 student in cybersecurity. Our prof from web development tasked us to create a 5-page interactive website using web technologies and different coding languages, as well as other resources from the internet. This is the body of my website, which contains the header, the content wrapper or the information about my website or the game that I use to theme my website, and a footer to not get copyright and to display informations about socials, the company, and support. And in the header, you can see I inputted the logo, my own logo, with the icon, with the help of Font Awesome that is linked in the Google. The navigation bar, which is linked to each indexes.html that is in my website, so you can navigate to where you would want to visit. And the content wrapper is where I displayed my information, as well as the button where you can join us or sign in or log in. Next up would be index2.html. As you can see, it's the same as the first few links and the first container section. The only difference is section right here, as it displays multiple images that you can hover with the use of CSS, as well as a clickable image where you can press and be linked to a trailer of what the game is all about, as well as inside the it's inside each section is a information with a image on the side, as well as buttons that you can press, so you can be linked to downloads if you want to download the game. And it goes all throughout each section, each 4 sections, as you can see here, and then the footer. Next up would be the index 3 or index 3 HTML, or the third page of my website. As you can see, it's the same as the first two indexes with the navigation bar and the heading. Now, the difference in this page is the slider technique that I used to make my website more interactive, and I just inputted some information, as well as buttons, so you can check for more informations if you are interested in searching up more about the information that was given. It is divided into um, 4 different parts, which is the title, the type. The type is where I put like when was it released, um, to give it more emphasis on the timeline. Of course, the name of the game, when did it start, and information, and this is more information that you can click, that is a clickable link, as well as the image that will pop. And this would be the thumbnail, where you can navigate. Actually, this image source is the background of each page that in the slider, and these thumbnails would be the navigation slider. This thumbnail uh this thumbnail's purpose is to display all the backgrounds of each game that is presented. And this next arrows is actually the next and previous arrows, um, to be able to navigate. To be able to navigate which timeline you would want to see. And this script source is a link to a JavaScript, which we will get into that later. For index HTML4, the difference is, um, this part is simple, as it is it's just a plain game. It is all this is different sections to my web page, and it is all functioned by the JavaScript. Last index.html, or the last page, is just links, just CSS links, so you can adjust the style, as well as JavaScript links, so you can give your give your web page functions. Moving on to the CSS, or the style sheets, we have import URL, which we can get fonts, then the body, the margin, how you design your web pages, and this is the video container. This is the design, the logos, you can adjust, navigation bar, the hover to the navigation bar, the buttons, the content wrapper, description, the content description span, the highlighted text, the buttons, and the footer. Style sheet number 2. Only difference is the wrapper, the size of the image, the hover, text box where you can put the information in, or this part of the web page. The text box is also used so you can control each text in one class. Each section, you can control each section. Header, logo, buttons, same with the other CSS, and of course footer. Same, logo, navigation bar, buttons, slider. This slider is used to be able to uh, style the sliders on how you wanted it to be, which is this ones. You can also use CSS to create the this part on which you on how you want to navigate each thumbnails. The fourth page, same header, logo, navigation bar, buttons, clickable area. So in here, you actually use cursor, so you can click the areas, and will take you to the next. Will allow you to press the screen anywhere. And finally, the news, the style for the news card, news image, news card. Basically, CSS is what you use if you want um to style your web page. Footer, basic. The API key is used for the news web page, which you can link this to a link source in Google, so it could give you a um, updated news. And this is for the reaction time. It is used in such ways where you can click anywhere. It gives the functionality of computing the total of the reaction time of each tries, as well as um, the change of colors and the clicks of where you want to click. It gives you the clicks. This is for the news, which is connected to the API key and connected to the link of the news, the updated news it will give. So every time you visit my website, it will update you um, every 2 days or every 1 day. And this is for the slider or the timeline web page. Gives you the chance to control the next and the previews, um, thumbnails or the slides, and uh, it creates the effect of um, switching to another slide and this. So that would be everything for my walkthrough to my technical description of my website. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for listening.